Actually, si Ruby yung una nagka-crush sa akin.
Hala, hindi. Siya. Pero joke time lang naman na sabi ko, ay, ang pogi naman ng friend mo, Jaji. Tapos yan, pinakilala siya sa akin ng friend niya. Na si Jaji, na friend ko rin, mutual friend. And then, ayun, siya yung una nagka-crush, hindi ako.
Ever since I met you, been dancing on the clouds. You're heaven sent. Did it hurt when you hit the ground? You sparkle like a diamond. You take my breath away. I'm hashtag blessed. You're the beat to my J. The way you move, the way you shake. So hot and so cool. Can't help but say I freaking love you. Something about you. Come on, I feel.
Sabi wala sa ikaw.
Thank you, mahal! Promise ko sa'yo, ito lang lalaroin ko.
Kasi yung sense of humor niya, siya pogi. My dearest Oben, up, mahal. Honestly, medyo rush na yung pagsulat ko ng vow. Super busy sa prep, sa work. I don't know how to start. Gusto ko na nga magpatulong kay ChatGPT. But then I remember, I don't know pala how to use. So tumakbo ako kay TikTok for the template and sample. Kidding aside. Remember the first day we met, how we started? We are in humble and simple life, the usual Jeje days, start of college days.
Mahal, nung una pa lang na nakita kita, I knew you were destined to be my forever. Di ba nga nung first monthsary pa lang natin, binigyan kita kagad ng singsing. Doon pa lang kasi alam kong ikaw na talaga. And today, surrounded by our loved ones, I'll make these promises to you. I promise to love you unconditionally, with all my heart and soul, through the highs and lows, in sickness and health. I will stand by you always, no matter what. Kakampi mo ako sa lahat ng laban, pagsubok at kahit ano pang problema ang kaharapin natin.
You're my best friend, you are my first, for so many things in my life. Ikaw yung kakampi ko sa lahat kapag magulo na ang mundo ko. Sa mga bagay-bagay, ikaw yung natatakbuhan ko. You're my shoulder to cry on. You always support me. Ikaw yung nakakaintindi at umiintindi sa akin kapag ako yung mismo. Hindi ko na maintindihan yung sarili ko.
You know you make this so hard, but around the corner is another day.
I promise that I will still love you the way I always do. I'll continue to respect you, to support you in every good decision you'll make. And in times of uncertainty, I promise to be your anchor. I will be your constant source of love and comfort. From this day forward, I have you and you have me as your home.
Oh Ben, yung gift ko for you, sana magustuhan mo. Alam ko namang adi ka sa games. Uy. Ay, wala ba? Pero mas mabuti na yan kaysa sa babae. Sure.
Thank you for being my partner, my best friend, and my confidant. Thank you for standing by my side through thick and thin, for supporting me in all of my dreams and aspirations, and for being...
I am grateful for the love we share, and I eagerly anticipate growing old with you. Every day of our lives, I'll love you more. Today, I'll give you not just my heart, but my entire soul and being. I love you so much, Sawa ko.
Love of God, Robin and Ruby, must be the very foundation of your relationship as a husband and wife. Kaya, Robin, love your wife unconditionally. Robin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Ruby na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.